tell me 3 things that most people don't know about USDC.
The 3 things for me would be USDC is the most popular stablecoin among kind of larger investors and institutions. When we did our fundraising round, we found those type of investors would always participate in USDC. It's definitely considered to be the most reputable in the space. Ask anybody, they'll tell you that. And it currently has a market cap of 52 billion. And I think that people don't really understand, like when they talk about crypto as a whole, they still feel that it's quite new. I think a market cap of 52 billion would suffice any large investor for using this as a transaction means. I mean, it's absolutely huge, and the liquidity of the volume is extremely high as well.